All right, let's check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr. A lot of people outside this evening. You just saw a live shot of that. But things cooling off. You say rain, but we're not talking anything to interrupt that.
No, they'll just sweat out there. That's what they have to worry about.
Winded and sweaty.
Yes, but the rain won't be here for several more hours, at least probably 6 more hours, I think, folks. We'll show you where that rain is in just a second. First, we'll take a look back at April, how we did for our temperatures. It was a below average month at our 3 major reporting stations, XNA, Drakefield, and Fort Smith. I've never seen XNA and Drakefield have the exact same average temperature and difference or departure from average temperature. That's a first. Fort Smith also slightly below average, but we were big time below average in terms of precipitation by about 2 to 3 inches across the board in April. Now, May is our wettest month, especially at Drakefield, so we'll see if we make that up. Not in a drought or anything like that, but you know, every now and then we do get those below average precipitation months. Look at Table Rock Lake this evening up near Branson, an absolutely gorgeous night, just some high clouds across the area, but more clouds will be on the way as that rain moves, it gets closer to the area. 90 in Prairie Grove, as well as Farmington and Gentry, everybody else into the upper 80s, mid 80s here in the mountains of Madison County, St. Paul, as well as Kingston. Widespread 90s, though, in the River Valley. 92 in Alma at this hour, as well as Paris and Charleston, Boonville checking in at 93. Dew points are sticky, but notice how quickly they drop off. That's because we've got a dry line back across Oklahoma and Texas, and you can see all the storms firing up, exploding here right ahead of that dry line. All of this activity will be moving in our direction over the next 6 hours or so, but as it does so, we do expect them to weaken. So we're not expecting widespread severe weather or so. Could we have an isolated severe storm? Certainly. But you notice here as we get after 10 o'clock, here comes the chances for some of those hit or miss showers or a brief thunderstorm. This is 1 a.m. By 4 a.m., more of the maybe hit or miss light rain variety as that system really starts to weaken, and it'll continue to do so as you're waking up tomorrow morning. If you're out for a morning run or walking your dog, there could be a raindrop or two, but we'll quickly clear out, and then we'll do it all over again by the afternoon with the outside chances for a couple of scattered showers or a very weak thunderstorm. We'll clear out again Sunday night, and we'll do it all over again on Monday. You'll see that in the 7-day here in a second. Like I said, an isolated severe storm certainly possible. Greater chances for severe weather the further south and west you work your way for the most part. Damaging winds would be the main threat with any storm that does decide to remain intact as it enters our area. Mid-60s tonight, a muggy night. Definitely might be firing up the air conditioner for the first time this year, and then back into the 80s for our highs tomorrow. Another sticky day, but this is a busy 7-day forecast. And basically what this breaks down to is the daytime hours should be dry, and then at night and in the evening we see those chances for showers and storms at least through Wednesday. Wednesday looks like we could see showers throughout the day. We'll keep an eye on that, and then more hit or miss variety showers as we get toward the end of the week. Same thing in the River Valley, numerous impact days, showers in the evening and at night. So just keep that umbrella handy all week long. In the meantime, we're going to go to the sports world and check in on our baseball and softball teams for the Hogs with Meredith Mulkey right after these messages.